Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will see manage OAuth apps in Microsoft Defender. I will just quickly log on to the portal and take it from there. Okay, when you log on to security.microsoft.com, scroll down to Cloud Apps and click on OAuth Apps. You will see this screen of Manage OAuth Apps or Applications. What happens is many third-party productivity apps that might be installed by business users in your company, they request permission to access user information and data and sign in on behalf of the user in other cloud apps, such as Microsoft 365, Google Workspace, and Salesforce. Now, when users install these apps, they often click accept without closely reviewing the details in the prompt, including granting permissions to the app. This problem is compounded by the fact that IT may not have enough insight to weigh the security risk of an application against the productivity benefit that it provides. Now, because accepting third-party app permissions is a potential security risk to the organization, we need to monitor the app permissions our users grant, because this gives the necessary visibility and control to protect the users and the applications that users are accessing or granting the access to. Now, Microsoft Defender for Cloud Apps Permissions enables us to see which user installed OAuth applications have access to the Microsoft 365 data, Google Workspace data, or Salesforce data. Defender for Cloud Apps tells us what permissions the apps have and which users granted these apps access to their Microsoft 365, Google Workspace, and Salesforce accounts. And now these app permissions will help us decide which apps we will allow our users to access and which ones we will completely ban. Now, when you are on this page, OAuth apps page, it will provide the information about each OAuth app. I don't have an app here because it's a dev tenant, but it will provide the information such as basic icon in the app query, advanced icon in the query bar. If you want to see the advanced filters, you can just turn it on. I don't have any apps here. If you want to ban an app, you just go to the that specific application, and on the app governance page, you select the app drawer to view more information about the app and the permissions it was granted. You can see the full list of permissions that were granted to the application. You can create test apps as well. And now when you can ban it, you can approve the app, and then from the list here of your applications, if you want to query OAuth application, you can query OAuth apps in either the basic view or the advanced view. You just have to select a query. These are the suggested queries that you have. Or you can, if I run this is the suggested query, but this will not give any results because there are no apps. You can also do auditing. A Defender for Cloud Apps audit all OAuth authorization activities to provide us with the comprehensive monitoring and investigation of activities performed. We can also export the details of users that authorized of a specific OAuth app, providing us with additional information on the users. Let's say you have an app, and if you want to query it, just click on the app, and then you will have to go on to the app governance page. From there, we can select the option of authorized by to look for the users that completed that operation, and then we can export the data. So this is the part I wanted to cover of what OAuth applications are, or what OAuth apps in Defender are, and how you can manage those. All right. If you need any further information, please mention them in the comment section, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.